Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a register. First, ensure your device is unlocked and your chosen card is set as your default in the Wallet app. For iPhone, double-click the side button. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button as well. This action automatically brings up your default card, preparing you for a swift and secure transaction. It is a seamless process designed for your convenience. Once your card appears on your device screen, gently hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the store's contactless reader. If you are using an Apple Watch, bring the display face toward the reader. You will know it is working when you feel a slight vibration from your device or when the payment terminal indicates it is reading the payment. Keep your device steady for just a moment to allow for proper communication. The process is remarkably fast. Your payment requires authentication to ensure it is secure. If you are using an iPhone with Face ID, simply glance at your phone to confirm your identity. For Touch ID, place your finger on the Home button. If neither is available, you may be prompted to enter your device passcode. After successful authentication, your device will show a quick checkmark and say Done, signaling that your purchase has been completed. This security layer provides peace of mind with every transaction. If a transaction doesn't go through, first check if the store's terminal accepts contactless payments, often indicated by the 4 curved lines symbol. Sometimes, simply repositioning your device, perhaps holding it a bit closer or at a slightly different angle, can resolve the issue. Also, confirm that your card is still selected in your Wallet app. If problems persist, try restarting your device or speak with a store associate for assistance with the payment terminal itself. Most issues are easily fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.